Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming you're on an administrator account and noting current DNS values so you can revert if needed. Once ready, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. From there, pick the adapter you're using, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and click Properties. Make sure to choose Edit under IP settings to access DNS fields. These steps put the DNS controls within reach. Do not skip noting the original values before you change anything. Now switch IP settings from automatic DHCP to manual so you can enter DNS addresses directly. Enable the correct protocol, IP4 for most users or IP6 when required, then type the preferred and alternate DNS servers, for example 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4. After saving, open Command Prompt as administrator and run ipconfig/flushdns to clear cached records so the new servers take effect immediately. Finish by verifying the change. Use Dns lookup to confirm queries go to the new server and ping a hostname to test resolution and latency. If sites fail to load, revert to the original DNS values you noted earlier to restore connectivity. Make sure to check local firewall rules, active VPN clients, or ISP DNS interception, which can override settings. If issues remain, try restarting the adapter or the PC. These final steps usually reveal whether the problem is configuration or network level.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.